It's one of the elevators at the Sandcastle building, Seamist Resort, Myrtle Beach. Going up. Up to 8. Oh my god. Car alarm going off. That scared me. Obviously a mod. Oh my god. That was so scary. 8. There's Myrtle Beach there and some of the other buildings for this place. Gonna view the cab, which is really beat up and industrial looking. Alright, I am going to head over to the other elevator here. But yeah, there's some of Myrtle Beach here and some of the other buildings for the Seamist. That looks lovely. And here is the other elevator, and it looks like it goes up another floor. But yeah, PTL fixtures. Sadly, we can't get a view because that's blocked off. I believe these were originally Otis or Montgomery. I can't quite tell. Oh, this one looks a lot nicer than the other. Lanterns burn out. Let's go to 10. Down to 2. And there's an 88 phone there. Here we go. Oh, stops a little, jolts a bit when it stops. And we're gonna get off here. There it goes. That's it. Look at that mural here. That is so cool. Anyways, that's it.